Hello students, you are welcome here on YouTube channel of course Satyavira College of Engineering and Management. It is an educational channel and here I am Muhammad Arshad provide us important lecture about the fuel. Now in the last lecture I have discussed about the fuel topic, and now here in this lecture I am discussing about the classification of a fuel. So fuel must be classified into three categories. There are three categories by which fuel can be described: solid, liquid, and gases. So all three category you have understanding easily. Fuel classify into the three category. First one is the solid, second one is the liquid, and the third one is the gaseous fuel. On the basis of availability, if we're discussing about the availability, the source of a fuel, then fuel can be classified into the two category. First one is the natural fuel and the second one is the synthetic fuel. Natural fuel, which can you get natural naturally or as well. The second category is the synthetic fuel that is prepared by the human being. Synthetic fuel is also we will getting about from the natural fuel, but it will synthesize in laboratories, mills, or factories. Now on the basis of manufacturing, fuel will also be divided into the two category. First one is the primary fuel and the second one is the secondary fuel. So overall fuel can be classified into the two category. First one is the natural fuel on the basis of availability. Second one is the synthetic fuel. So natural fuel, how can you define? Natural fuel can be obtained by the natural resources like wood, like coal, wood, crude oil, CNG, and so on. Natural fuel also divided into the three categories: solid, liquid, and gaseous fuel. Solid fuel, you can observe the two or more examples of solid fuel. As far as concerned the natural category, uh, first one is the familiar example of a fuel, that is coal. Coal is a solid form and we will get it naturally from the mines. The second one is the wood. Wood is an also example of the natural fuel which is found in solid form. Now second category of a natural fuel, that is the liquid fuel by which we can get natural resources, that is the crude oil which is also we can find out by the digging out by from the oil well. So crude oil is an also example of the liquid fuel. The third category of a fuel is the gaseous fuel and the natural fuel. So natural fuel which we by which we can get us naturally, that is the CNG. That means compressed natural gas, CNG, which we can get from the digging out when by the time of when we observe when we found crude oil. Now second category of fuel, that is the synthetic fuel. How can you define the synthetic fuel? Synthetic fuel which we by which we can get or manufacture by the human being in labs, factories, or other kind of a place. It will also divided into the three categories: solid, liquid, and gaseous fuel. Solid fuel, that is the coke and charcoal. coke and charcoal we will get from the synthetically in the factories or industries. Second category is the liquid fuel. Liquid fuel, that is the synthetically we can obtain or prepared the familiar fuel in the liquid form, that is the synthetic fuel: petrol, diesel, and LPG. LPG is synthetic fuel. Remember it. Where is this CNG is natural fuel. So LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is a type of synthetic fuel which is found in gaseous as well as the liquid form. The third category of the synthetic fuel, that is the gaseous fuel, and we will discuss a few examples. Coal gas is one of them, biogas and water gas. So these are the gaseous fuel we can get synthetically from the in the labs, factories, or meals by the human being. So students, fuel categorize a few category here. I have discussing here.